Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve this exponential equation where we have 25 to the power of 2x equals 50. So to solve this, we introduce logarithm to both sides as log 25 raised to the power of 2x equals log 50. So here, by considering this law, let's say we have log a to the power of b, it is equals to b log a. So we are trying to apply it so that we have 2x log 25 equals log 50. So next we have divide both sides by log 25. If this cancelled, we have 2x equals log, by splitting 50 into the product of 25 multiplied by 2, then we divide it by log 25, and again we have 2x equals, here is a product log which we have it as log 25 plus log 2 divided by log 25. If I split this so that we have log 25 divided by log 25 plus log 2 divided by log 25. So this cancelled and we have 2x equals 1 plus log 2 divided by log 25, and next we have 2x equals 1 plus log 2. So when we have log 2 divided by log 25, we can write it as log 2 base 25. So here we have 2x equals 1 plus log 2, then 5 can be written as 25 can be written as 5 square. I also have another rule that says if you have log 2 and the base is having power, we take base as the reciprocal, which is 1 over 2, then log 2 base 5. So by multiplying through by 1 divided by 2, we're going to have x equals 1 over 2 into bracket of 1 plus 1 over 2 log 2 base 5. And here is the result to this problem. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.